So we're at the intersection of Mass Ave and Cedar Street, Cameron Avenue. It's also the location where the Alewife linear path crosses Mass Ave. This location was identified in the Cambridge Bicycle Network Plan as the location for improvements for bicycle and pedestrian crossing safety and accessibility. People had complained about the delay crossing the intersection. Cyclists had noted that there was no clear way to cross the intersection. The drivers might not expect a bike to be in the crosswalk while drivers are turning right, and that the visibility for a bike entering the crosswalk, which enters at a much higher speed than a pedestrian, could cause a car to be surprised when they are making a turn during that same phase. The changes included new separate bicycle and pedestrian ramps, which were constructed by Public Works, new green pavement markings crossing the intersection, which were installed by the traffic and parking staff, and bicycle signals that provide clear guidance when bicycles are to enter the intersection. As part of these bicycle signal improvements, we also included a trial of some new equipment. It's a 4-inch bicycle signal lens. They're on the near side of the intersection, so as the cyclist is approaching, right there on the pole next to where they wait for the signal, they see the red, yellow, green for the bicycle signal indication. These are the first of their kind that have been installed on the East Coast. There's a little bit of new technology we're trying out, and hopefully we'll be able to expand their use. The other recent change that's come to Mass Ave, we've installed new bicycle lanes from Porter Square up to the Arlington City line. Those have resulted in some significant safety and accessibility improvements for cyclists. Those were installed the vast majority of the length while not impacting the other uses on the road. We were able to maintain over 95% of the parking on Mass Ave. There were no changes to the travel lanes. We simply were able to kind of reallocate the space and narrow the travel lanes a little bit to provide a safe location for cyclists to ride. So if you want to learn a little bit more about the improvements that were made here and the Bicycle Network Plan for Cambridge, I'd suggest you visit the Community Development Department website. You can find a lot of information in the Bicycle Network Plan about the vision and goals for the city and what might be coming next.